Hello everyone, I've got a quick video review for you for some new lights that I just installed in my garage workshop. This was a much needed upgrade that I have been holding off on for a few months. I bought the lights when they were on sale and they just kind of sat in the corner of my garage. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the lights I bought and how I took the setup up just a notch by adding something special to it. So I purchased some Barrina, I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, lights. This particular one was it was either 5600 or 6500 Kelvin. I'll put a link in the description, an image on the video, all that stuff. But anyways, this particular kit came with 8 lights, which is really cool. Tons of attachments, all the wires, everything you need. And I'm not sure how it's coming across on camera, but compared to my previous lights, which I'll show you in a second, these are so much more even and they fill the space way better. So this is the middle of the day with the lights completely off in my garage. And this is what my lights used to look like. So a lot more dark and just very hard shadows. If you look up here, this is one of those little 3 light LED things I bought from Home Depot. You just screw it into a normal light bulb socket. And it's worked fine, but I've had to bring in this extra light right here. The only problem with this one is there's no diffusion. So again, harsh light, not the best for video, but with this, so much more even and just literally fills in the entire room. It's just so much better. There's 2 things I want to focus on in this video. 1 is price and 2 is the quality of the light. So in regards to the price, I think I bought these for $60. Super good deal on 4-foot LED lights. And again, I got 8 of them. In regards to the quality, they're cheap. I haven't really seen or heard anything bad about them, but they're cheap. This is like a really thin aluminum. And then the light, it's just a piece of plastic. It's definitely nothing fancy. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little piece you stick in there that connects the lights together. It's really simple, just 3 ports, and essentially the wiring is touching internally on the lights between the 2 4-foot lights. So I've connected 4 across. You obviously don't have to do that, but that's what I wanted to do myself. To be honest with you, I was hoping they would be a little brighter, but again, I mean, I can't really complain for the cost. On their website, they suggested for a 1-car garage to have anywhere between 6 and 8 lights. And I think for general purpose use, this is more than enough, probably too much. If you were just an average homeowner and you didn't do any projects and you just needed light in your garage, you might be able to get away with just 4 of these. This is a little janky, but it's temporary. And I think at some point, I'm probably gonna get these lights hardwired into my electrical panel. But for now, it's fine because nothing's in the way and whatever, I don't really care that much. So there's an outlet right there. And I've got an extension cord running along here to right there. And the cable, which each one comes with a cable. So there's 8 of these cables and they all have these little switch on and off things. There's one over here. This is where I said it's a little janky. I used some gaffer's tape, whatever, it gets the job done. The extension cord is plugged into something up there. A wireless control for that outlet. So I originally saw this product used by, I believe, Michael Alm, his channel, pretty big woodworker on YouTube, if you've never heard of him. So when I saw this from Mike's channel, I was like, oh, this is perfect. I have the cable plugged in up there, right? Here's a normal looking light switch. If I take this off, there's a little battery in there and it works wirelessly. So technically I could put this anywhere. If I turn it off, and then I turn it on, it works perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about using your phone or anything like that. And it just sits right there, super easy. So I think if you're in the market for some cheaper strip lighting, LED, fairly good quality, but you don't want to break the bank, these are an amazing deal. Like, you cannot beat what you get for the price. Thinking long-term, the ultimate goal would be something like American Green. They make really, really nice LED lights for workshops and body detail shops and everything. And I think that's important. But I don't know, can't really beat the price. So if you want to see some more progress on my workshop, check out this video over here.